Movie camera. Are you or someone you love managing diabetes? Discover how a simple addition to your diet can make a world of difference. Glowing star packed with essential nutrients, fiber, and healthy fats, nuts are more than just a snack. They're a powerful ally in stabilizing blood sugar levels and boosting overall health. Peanut sparkles. In this video, we'll reveal the top 7 nuts that can transform your diabetes management journey. Whether you're looking to improve your energy, support heart health, or maintain steady glucose levels, these nutrient-packed superfoods are here to help. Light bulb ready to take control of your health? Let's dive in and uncover the best nuts for diabetes, and why they deserve a spot in your daily routine. Hit play now. Clapperboard. 1. Almonds. Almonds have long been celebrated for their impressive health benefits, particularly for individuals managing diabetes. Packed with essential nutrients, almonds are a rich source of fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants, making them a valuable addition to any diet. Research indicates that regular almond consumption can significantly improve blood sugar control. By slowing the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, almonds help maintain stable glucose levels, which is crucial for diabetes management. Additionally, almonds have been linked to reduced cholesterol levels and enhanced heart health, 2 critical factors for individuals at risk of cardiovascular complications often associated with diabetes. Beyond their health benefits, almonds are versatile and easy to incorporate into daily meals. Enjoy them as a quick snack, sprinkle them over salads for added crunch, or blend them into smoothies for a creamy texture and nutritional boost. Incorporating almonds into your diet is a simple yet effective way to support overall health while managing diabetes. Their nutrient-rich profile and proven benefits make them a smart choice for anyone seeking to improve their well-being. 2. Walnuts. Walnuts are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering numerous health benefits, particularly for individuals managing or aiming to prevent type 2 diabetes. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts are known for their ability to reduce inflammation and promote heart health, an essential consideration for those with diabetes, as cardiovascular complications are a common concern. Research highlights the significant role walnuts play in lowering the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Their nutrient profile, which includes healthy fats, antioxidants, and essential vitamins, contributes to improved metabolic health and supports overall well-being. Incorporating walnuts into your diet is simple and versatile. They can be added to oatmeal or yogurt for a nutrient boost at breakfast or enjoyed as a convenient, heart-healthy snack throughout the day. With their rich flavor and proven health benefits, walnuts are an excellent addition to any balanced diet. By making small changes like including walnuts in your daily routine, you can take proactive steps toward better health and diabetes prevention. 3. Cashews. Cashews, a popular nut known for their creamy texture and rich flavor, are more than just a tasty treat, they are a powerhouse of essential nutrients. One of their standout qualities is their high magnesium content. Magnesium plays a crucial role in enhancing insulin sensitivity and maintaining stable blood sugar levels, making cashews an excellent choice for individuals looking to support metabolic health. In addition to magnesium, cashews are packed with healthy fats that contribute to balancing cholesterol levels. These fats are particularly beneficial for cardiovascular health, helping to reduce the risk of heart disease when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Cashews are also versatile in the kitchen, making them easy to incorporate into meals. They can be added to stir-fries for extra crunch, tossed into salads for a nutty flavor, or blended into a creamy base for sauces and dressings. With their impressive nutritional profile and culinary adaptability, cashews are a smart choice for anyone aiming to improve their overall health while enjoying delicious meals. 4. Pistachios. Pistachios are increasingly recognized as a powerful addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. Packed with high fiber content, healthy fats, and antioxidants, these nutrient-dense nuts offer a range of health benefits that extend beyond blood sugar regulation. One of the key advantages of pistachios is their ability to help stabilize blood sugar levels. The combination of fiber and healthy fats slows down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes and crashes. Additionally, pistachios contribute to improving cholesterol profiles by increasing levels of good HDL cholesterol while reducing bad LDL cholesterol. This dual action significantly lowers the risk of heart disease, a common complication for individuals with diabetes. Incorporating pistachios into your diet is both simple and versatile. Enjoy them raw as a convenient snack, mix them into yogurt for added texture and flavor, or sprinkle them as a topping on salads and other dishes for a nutrient boost. As research continues to highlight the health benefits of nuts like pistachios, they remain a smart choice for individuals seeking to manage diabetes while promoting overall well-being. 5. Peanuts. Peanuts are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering significant benefits for those looking to prevent or manage diabetes. Packed with protein and fiber, peanuts play a vital role in stabilizing blood sugar levels, reducing sudden spikes, and curbing cravings. These qualities make them an excellent choice for maintaining a balanced diet and supporting weight management, key factors in diabetes care. Incorporating peanuts into daily meals is both simple and versatile. A popular option is spreading peanut butter on whole grain toast for a nutritious breakfast. Adding a spoonful of peanut butter to smoothies can enhance both flavor and nutritional value. For a convenient snack, a handful of roasted peanuts provides a satisfying and healthy option. As part of a well-rounded diet, peanuts can contribute to better blood sugar control and overall health. However, moderation is crucial, as peanuts are calorie-dense. Always choose unsalted or minimally processed options to maximize their benefits while avoiding unnecessary additives. 6. Pecans. Pecans, a popular tree nut, are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that offer significant health benefits. Rich in monounsaturated fats, these nuts help improve cholesterol levels, thereby supporting overall heart health. This makes them an excellent addition to a heart-friendly diet. In addition to their heart-healthy fats, pecans are a potent source of antioxidants. These compounds play a critical role in combating inflammation and reducing oxidative stress, both of which are linked to chronic diseases such as cardiovascular issues and diabetes. Incorporating pecans into your diet is simple and versatile. They can be added to baked goods for a nutty flavor, sprinkled over salads for a satisfying crunch, or enjoyed on their own as a wholesome snack. With their impressive nutritional profile and versatility in the kitchen, pecans are a smart choice for anyone looking to boost their overall health while enjoying a tasty treat. 7. Macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering numerous health benefits, particularly for individuals managing diabetes. Packed with monounsaturated fats, these nuts support blood sugar regulation and help lower cardiovascular risks. Additionally, their rich magnesium and fiber content contribute to overall well-being by promoting heart health and aiding digestion. Incorporating macadamia nuts into your diet is simple and versatile. They can be added to trail mixes, used as a topping for desserts, or enjoyed as a standalone snack. Their creamy texture and subtle flavor make them a delightful addition to various dishes. For those with diabetes, mindful consumption is key. Nuts are calorie-dense, so it's essential to limit portions to about 1 ounce per serving to avoid excessive calorie intake. Opt for unsalted macadamia nuts to steer clear of added sodium, which can negatively impact blood pressure. Pairing nuts with fresh fruits or low-fat yogurt can create a balanced, nutrient-rich snack. By integrating macadamia nuts into a well-rounded diet, you can enjoy their health benefits while maintaining optimal blood sugar levels and supporting heart health. And that wraps up our list of 7 amazing nuts that can help you manage diabetes while supporting your overall health. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in your well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. Also, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on more tips for living a healthier, happier life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.